the few. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it.
Yo, what's up, Barrio Builds family? This your boy Kubo, back at it again with another little video. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Muchas gracias a todos mis suscriptores que me siguen, que me apoyan. Thank you very much. Appreciate everybody's support. So today we have a video that is gonna be involving the Mustang. We're gonna be doing, well, like I said before the camera cut off, we're gonna be installing the H pipe on the Mustang GT. It's a Roush H pipe, and then we're gonna be possibly converting the single ported mufflers exhaust in the back to a quad tip on both sides. Possibly gonna be doing that today as well. I'm gonna see if they have good tip options and see how it goes. But yeah, thank you very much for staying in touch with my videos. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video and comment for me. Thank you. Alrighty. We have the Mustang here. So there's the build so far. So this is what I was talking about. Right now it has the regular dual exhaust, but just with the single tip. Possibly gonna be changing that out to the quad on both sides. And we got the H pipe. Oh, my bad. It's not the Roush H pipe. It's the C&L H pipe. Make sure. I had this on my previous GT and I really liked it. And that's what I'm going to be doing. So it is actually the C&L H pipe. Yes, sir. Alrighty. So we're going to. Right now I'm going to get the car loaded up, get the part put in the back of the trunk, and we're going to head to my buddy's shop and get this knocked out. Alright guys, we got the part loaded here in the trunk. Definitely going to be heading out that way now. Yep. This is how the vehicle looking in the interior so far. Got that car seat back there. Sheesh. But yeah, stay tuned for when we get to the shop and we're gonna see how it looks. Let's get it. Alright, so we're in the whip. I really like this 67 to 68 gauge cluster thing on the Mustang. It looks really cool. Check it out. But yep, we're in the vehicle and we're headed that way. Let's get it. Alright guys, we pulled up to the shop right here. Bills Muffler, my boy Jacob in there. We got the whip. So we are going to be doing that quad tip conversion with the H pipe in the front, X, kind of like Steeda's doing, but reverse. We're gonna get that on there, baby. Let's get it. Let's see how it turns. Alright, going up. Let's get it. Alright, guys. These little suitcases here are going to be going out, as well as that right there. Alright, now make sure you come see my boy Jacob at Bills Muffler. Last one we hit 70K. Let's see what we can do with this one, right, bro? Let's get it. Alright guys, we're here just waiting for the GT to be completed. Obviously you see right here a Bills Muffler. We went ahead and did the H to X pipe. I know Steeda did something in regards to that and I wanted to try it out myself, but with my own stuff. Thank you to my buddy Jacob here at Bills Muffler, who's performing this job. It's absolutely amazing out in the back right there. I'll give you guys a nice little tour around once the job is complete, but just wanted to give you a nice little run around of what is going on. Let's go. Alright guys, here it is. Look at that. I got that H pipe with the X. Check it out. Ooh, looking nice. Take a view.
He's like, well, you look like you just got out of high school. I was like, I appreciate that. But no, I didn't. Been out of high school for a minute.
Get everything nice and prepped up, looking clean. Alright guys, look at it, check it out. Nice and done now. Super nice. Coming out dope. Alright guys, here it is, the finished product right before the startup. Check it out. Super nice. Thanks, bro. Beautiful work, beautiful work. Check it out. Hard-working man. Come see Jacob here at Bills Muffler Shop in killeen. Look at that quality work. Thank you so much. Alright guys, as you see, that's the finished product of the H and X pipe with quad tips and muffler delete by my boy Jacob at Bills Muffler. Right now we're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Later on I'll do a true cold start when I barely turn it on for the first time, but for now we're going to check out how it looks and how it sounds on the ground. Let's get it. Sheesh. Alright guys, here's the startup for y'all. Let's see how it sounds. this is the next morning after doing all that work on the exhaust, on the new exhaust setup. I'm gonna be giving you a cold start so you can hear how it sounds. Oh man, sorry for the sneeze, but here's what it's gonna look like. Let's get it. Alright guys, that sounds wicked, but that is the true cold start on that new setup that I did with the H pipe in the front, followed by the X, muffler delete, and the quad tips. Woo! Just at idle, look at how it sounds. It sounds amazing, man. I'm gonna give you a nice little flyby of the vehicle of me driving, and I'll conclude the video. But it sounds absolutely gorgeous. I'll be dropping the link for the H pipe and the X pipe that I used on the descriptions of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for me. I'd appreciate that very much. Thank you, Bar Builds family. God bless you guys all. Alright guys, nice little drive. Sounds amazing. Look at that. Sheesh. Super nice. Amazing. Damn. Woo! Woo-wee. Sound. Damn. Sounds super nice. Absolutely amazing. That sounds. Love the setup. guys, that concludes the video. Hope you guys liked the turnaround. We are headed back home. I appreciate everyone's support, and I know I've probably said this a million times, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really hope you guys like this setup. I wanted to try it out. Something unique, something new. And yep, stay tuned for the next video. Barrio Builds family, love you guys, and God bless each and every one of you. Bye.